How to get 80% Instacart coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Instacart coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, coupon follow. Once you're in the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Instacart. This is the legit website. Now I can scroll down. $30 off, $50 off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you wanna grab. Just click on it. With that, you'll get the code for it. Now you can copy the code and make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on redeem at Instacart. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. Also, you can try out other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of deals for Instacart. The process is exact same. Lastly, what you can do is you can also check out this one website, Groupon. This is also the legit website. In this website as well, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Instacart. So this way you can easily get up to 80% working coupon code for Instacart. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.